Richards Bay 0, Orlando Pirates 1. Bekuyigame yokuqala eOrlando Pirates idlala away this season kwiBetway Premiership. Ade bedlala le Kings welithini eMlazi. Ngizokhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives wale game le. Ngizoqala ama-positives. iOrlando Pirates ikwazile ukumanager le game le. Like i-dictate igame. Uma wasubheka ama-stats ale game le uzobona ukuthi iOrlando Pirates ibi-manager impela kule game le. Because musathi ukubheka kuma-goal attempts ithi ade beslid. Kuma-shot on target ithi ade slid. Yabo kuma-possession simene 62 ye-possession bena 38. Yabo kule game lesidictate-ile uzo kahle kahle oba abaphethe ibhola yabo. But i-approach yethu kule game le ngokwami mina asi-approachanga ngendlela e-right le game le. Le game le kumele igoqwe first half. Hayi ukuthi sibe namathuba first half, cha sibanga namathuba amaningi kangawo first half because ithuba sibe nalo first half libe offside le lamabasa. But le game kumele igoqwe first half because njengoba ngithi le game kumele siyigoqwe first half. Uma ubuka lapha esiswini besine Makhehleni Makhawula benombatha. Makhehleni Makhawula bonombatha laba badlali bothi ubadlala unumber 6. Njengoba bedlala unumber 6 sidlala neteam vele approach game ngokuzo defend. Leya team le Richards Bay FC musathi ukubheka iRichards Bay idefende the whole 90 minutes. Abadlali ade bephusha lapha I think number 23 wabo lo uyiscore yabo. So le game le meme si approach ngodlamini benombatha. I feel like ucoach uyisabile igame wabona ukuthi cha wabona bamshaya last week ngo-1-0 wafaka lo mshida lo Makhehleni Makhawula benombatha okuyikona edala ukuthi Orlando Pirates ingabi creative center. Besingenalo creativeness center because umabasa bengalithola ibhola phambili. Yabo kube sithola uDlamini ubonile sengena uDlamini iPirates eqalile manje alithinta ibhola. Sabona noTiti sengena egamini. Because angifuna uqamba manje uTiti namhlanje igame yakhe bi-flat igame yaNtito namhlanje. Mhlawumbe abantu sebengasho okunye bakusho but igame yaNtito namhlanje bi-flat. Kwiside le Richards Bay Kicken Allen unomdlalo kuthiwa Kicken Allen omlungu. La mchide lo I see him playing for a big club in the next 2 years or 1 year because indlela clinical ngakhona uyakhombisa ukuthi uyidefender la ngempela yabo. Like ubenikeza umsebenzi uthi azomaka umfuking. Ubenikeza nje umsebenzi ozocima umfuking and ukwazile ukwenza lo msebenzi loyo. But umfuking ubenokuphunyuka yabo acreate lawo ma chances but usebenzile lo amjida namhlanje kwiside le Richards Bay. Mayasiza ku captain wethu ucaptain weOrlando Pirates uInnocent Mayela. Bafethu Innocent Mayela iperformance yakhe namhlanje is the reason why Innocent Mayela ehlala ebenchini. Kunezathu why Innocent Mayela ehlala ebenchini. Abantu abaningi hlezi bebuza ukuthi why Innocent ehlala ebenchini. Uma nibona iperformance yakhe namhlanje ubeluza amabhola amaningi Innocent Mayela as a captain ubengekho there for ama players wakhe. Yabona le foul le eyenzeke between lo mchida lo number 23 we Richards Bay lo adingithi uyahlupha benosesana. Umayela mina for me bengimele kube uyena ulast man. Bengimele kube uyena ulast man ozocover usesana. Because mekudlala unda benosesana ubukunaki. Mekhambe omunye kusala omunye akhavele omunye. Laphana uma ubona ibhola bamphaselile lo mchida lo. Kuyashibilika lapha bekunetha. Bamphaselile kashibilika bekunetha decide wagcina eseshaya foul yabo. In my books this is a red card. In my books this is a red card. But ke urefi mhlambe iview yakhe uyibone ngenye indlela. But in my books this was a red card. Asisho nje asina iVAR la South Africa. So urefi nje bengayibonanga iyo lokho ade uyitholile usesane yabo. But ngokwami mina uMayela bengimele afike azomaka umfana. Like azosiza umfana abe there because as a captain uyi center back kumele kube wena umdlalo wokugcina. You must be the last man in the line of defense. Ngiyazi abaningi balinde ukuthi ngikhuluma ngoGilberto. Ngikhulume kabi ngoGilberto. Naye into bafethu as ama fans khulukazi as ama fans eOrlando Pirates thina kwiPirates asithandi ukuthi umdlali as ama fans iyabheda lento yokuthi lo ukuthi sifuna ukrush umdlali yabo siyamrasha kakhulu umdlali bese simcomparisha uVan Rooyen bese simcomparisha noBombatha yabo unibona ngikhohle ukuthi uVan Rooyen badlala ku PSL simthengela ku PSL lo mjida lo umbatha simthenge khona la ku PSL. We cannot compare umdlalo osuka le eAngola ezela eSouth Africa. But igame ya Gilberto namhlanje nayo into engiyipick up ngoGilberto. uGilberto umdlali odlalayo yabo umdlalo odlalayo kodwa i1 into amale ilungise ilento le yokuthi medlala 1-on-1 with a defender yabo medlala 1-on-1 with a defender mele akwazi ukutake on i-defender vethu ayeke lento yokuphasa ibhola emuva because lento yokuphasa ibhola emuva imenza angabi leli winger leli lidala sithina sidingile winger elidala elikwazi ukutake on ama defender le create ama cross yabo lidlala ibhola nje ispace nekushawa inqawo yena into engibone ngaye akakwazi ukutake on umdlali yabo akakwazi ukujika ileyo nto siyifunayo because musathi ukubheka umfuking musathi ukubheka uDion Hotto musathi ukubheka lo mshida uSaling labo badlali lawo mawinga akwazi ukutake on ama defender yabo ashaya ama cross noma ashaya inqawo yabo into enginayisise ngoGilberto usalekha leyo nto leyo kule game le bekumele introduce lo mjida lo Karim Kimvuidi uMaswanganyi bemela ahlala ebenchini ngokwami nje namhlanje uMaswanganyi bemela ahlala ebenchini but kungijabulisile ukubona uPaseka Mark ebuya namhlanje athi sagcina umbona uPaseka Mark sagcina since last season yaboyisana le injury yakhe but kungijabulisile ukumbona umfana ebuya namhlanje all in all u3 points lo it was not a good game per se yabo igame nje le esiyidlalile because igoli lethu kubi free kick a beautiful free kick from uDlamini yabo 3 points in the bag. It was not a good game but siutholile u3 points regardless of ukudlala kwethu ngizingadlalanga kahle but u3 points utholile 3 wins in a row siyaphambili.